Kids Learning World.
Hi there! Do you know what a giraffe is? It's spelled Giraffe. Let me tell you about giraffe. Giraffes are amazing animals that live in the grasslands of Africa. They are known for their long necks, which help them reach leaves high up in trees. Giraffes have big, beautiful eyes and long eyelashes to protect them from the sun. They have large, strong hearts and lungs to pump blood up to their heads and help them breathe at such great heights. Giraffes eat leaves, twigs, and fruits from trees using their long tongues, which can be up to 18 inches long. They also have a spotted coat pattern that helps them blend in with the trees and bushes. Giraffes are social animals and like to live in groups called herds. They're amazing creatures that are fun to learn about and watch in the wild. Now it is time to draw a giraffe together. Here are some simple steps you can follow. Thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. If you ever want to draw or learn something new, feel free to come back. Goodbye for now.